Welcome to my channel and I'm back again. I'm talking about few women essential products today, so be ready for it. These products are really very much pocket friendly and is under rupees 500. Easily available on Amazon and you can buy it anytime. So without wasting time, let's move ahead, and before we move, do not forget to click the subscribe button down. So our first product is, yes, laundry organizer. These are really very amazing products. If you use them, you will understand what I am saying. It really makes a great undergarment organizer. It just reduces the clutter in your wardrobe and you can find your items quickly. Basically, it's a undergarment storage box where your things are organized properly. Your padded and underwire bras are really very much safe in this kind of organizers, so please do give it a try. These organizers comes in really different sizes and shapes, so this one is my favorite. You can explore your favorite definitely. Let's move on to our next product, which is hair drying towel. Yes, it is one of the best thing a girl can have in her hair care essentials. It is important for a girl, woman, everyone can use it. It helps you to dry your hair faster with less of damage and less of breakage. These microfiber towels is better than a normal towel when it comes for drying a hair. It allows you a perfect fit on your head. It really stays on your head properly. It is lightweight, it is not bulky. It is very much functional, very comfortable that using a normal towel or to wrap your hair becomes complete obsolete. So buy one, experience it. Without wasting time, let's move on to our next product, which is sweat pads. Yes, I'm talking about the disposable underarm sweat pads. See, we all sweat and there is nothing to shy about it. It is the normal, natural thing which happens to everyone. So we just need to take care of ourselves, our outfits. So these easy to use disposable sweat pads are the solution for all our such issues. So it's very easy to use. We need to peel it off and paste it. Basically, we need to put it on the inside part of the garments. It comes along with a self-adhesive glue, so after use you need to remove it, because sometimes people think let's leave it, or many times people just paste it on the skin. Please do not paste it on your skin. It's an instruction given on the product itself. The pack which we are talking about, it comes in 12 pads in a pack or 24 pads in a pack, so you can check and you can go for one for yourself. This is really very friendly and suitable for all garments type. We have seen many people wearing those silk blouses, silk outfits, silk tops, and after those very sweaty days, you see stain marks on your armhole which you cannot remove or you cannot wash because your outfits have to be dry clean. So the only solution is to use these kind of sweat pads. It's really help you to feel fresh, as well as it's protect your outfits too. So very useful products, and men and women both can use them. The position how to use it, you can see it in the image. So let's use it and give your feedback in the comment section. Let's go on to our next product, which is sanitary napkin bag. Sanitary napkin bag, very few people are aware about it, but it is a perfect product for a girl and a woman traveling and going outdoors. When we go outdoors, generally people keep their sanitary napkins in their handbags, but keeping it directly loose in their handbags is not very good from hygiene point of view. So I advise such bags, and these bags are made for it, so it is perfect to keep your sanitary napkins in it. Even if you are not using them purposely for sanitary napkins, then you can use these bags for keeping small things of your handbags like earphone, loose chains and cosmetics and other things, and organize your bag properly. So it is really a good choice. You can think of buying it, so think over it. It comes in different sizes, so definitely check the size before buying. Now the next product is Body Bag Scrubber. Yes, this is a double side bathing brush for skin deep cleaning. It is a very good product for men as well as women. Yes, I have mentioned this product in Women Essential, but without hesitation, men can also use this product. Really good one. This is a silicone bath body brush and it's made for bag body baths and unreachable body parts. So this scrubber for bathing is a great tool. If you have a problem cleaning your bag, think about it. And this is really a good product. So think about it and go for one. So our next product is, yes, Nivea Roll-On. Nivea Roll-On product is Nivea Roll-On deodorant. Naturally good and strongly recommended. It is a solution for all sweaty days, and even in regular days you can use it and you can wear and feel good, feel fresh. This is really great for skin too. So you can get a natural freshness all day long. So do give it a try. It comes in variety of options, easy to pick and available on Amazon. It is really price friendly, and once you use it, definitely we will buy another. So give it a try. So our next option is makeup pouches and organizers. Really very important for all girls and women. Makeup organizers comes in unique design, and this is one of the unique design which I'm showing it here. And it has a strong portable design and internal fixed straps that keep your cosmetics really very safe, and you can carry them conveniently to any place. So this is a multifunctional organizer, you can say. You can use it for your toiletries bag or your other brush kits and many other things which you can keep while traveling. So this is really a good bag to buy for, and as a wonderful gift also if you want to gift it to your loved ones and you are really getting out of gift ideas. So this is really all good idea for gifting it to your loved ones. It comes in pretty colors, cute nice patterns which is fashionable and people love them a lot. So definitely these organizers are very good to go for. Personally, I prefer pouches a lot, and that is also very comfortable, keeping the small makeup things and moving it from one place to another, or it's easy. So it's completely one person's choice whether you want to go with a pouch or a complete organizer, and it is easily available in the market, even on online portals. So all the links of the product which we have discussed till now, all are mentioned in my description box. You can find the links there. You can do the shopping from there. So if you wish to buy, definitely follow my links in the description box below. All the products are from Amazon and very price friendly, as I have mentioned earlier also in this video. If you like these products, definitely give your feedback in the comment section. So that I really look forward for making more videos of such kind, where I give shopping ideas of nice products and essential things. So do subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, definitely share with your friends, like it. So catch you soon. Take care. Thank you for watching and giving your time.